In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Target gift cards in store. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your physical Target gift card or your Target e-gift card ready. If you're using an e-gift card, you can open it from your email or access it through the Target app if you have saved it to your account. Once you have finished shopping, head to the checkout counter or use your self-checkout if it's available. When it's time to pay, present your physical gift card to the cashier or scan the barcode on your e-gift card at the payment terminal. The gift card balance will automatically be applied to your purchase. If a gift card does not cover the full cost of your order, you can pay the remaining balance using another accepted payment method, such as credit or debit card, cash, or another Target gift card. After the transaction is complete, you will receive a receipt showing how much was deducted from your gift card and, if applicable, the remaining balance. And that's it. Now you know how to use a Target gift card in store. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.